If your vanity has a natural marble or engineered marble stone top, we have some important information for you regarding how to care for or repair it if necessary. Most common household cleaners have a high or low pH, which can be very damaging to natural or engineered stones. Be sure to check the product label carefully for warnings against using them on these types of surfaces. This video will explain how to use our stone care products if you have etching, pitting, or other discoloration on your stone top. Watch what happens when we pour a small amount of common bathroom cleaner onto the surface of this natural Carrara marble top. After just 1 minute, the top is deeply etched. Start with the all-stone cleaner to remove any existing dirt. Dry the area with a clean terry cloth or microfiber towel. Spray a small amount of water on the powder. Use only enough water needed to create a dry, gritty paste. Using a little pressure, rub your finger in circular motions around the etched area, feathering outward with a little less pressure. Several short-duration applications of 30 to 60 seconds will produce the best results. Using a damp cloth, remove all the leftover etch remover and residue, leaving the surface clean. Using the all-stone cleaner, spray over the surface of the treated area to remove any leftover etch removal powder. Make sure the stone top is dry before applying the stone sealer. Spray the sealer on the areas that you treated with the etch remover. Allow sealer to penetrate the surface for 5 to 15 minutes. Make sure the surface area you are working on stays wet by moving the sealer around to dry the areas. Thoroughly wipe the entire surface with a clean towel to completely remove all excess sealer from the surface. Wait at least 24 hours for the sealant to fully cure, then apply the all-stone polish. Apply the all-stone polish spray sparingly on the surface of your stone top. Buff to a uniform finish using a clean piece of terry cloth or micro towel. If you notice any smearing, stop buffing. Wait another minute or so, then continue with the clean side of the cloth. If streaking persists, spray a little bit more of the polish and buff immediately to blend. You can do an additional application for best results.